Cool. What's your channel?
king_airlord.
And what do you do on your channel?
I just like post anything that I do, like if I'm on the streetcar, just anything.
Oh, so you like travel around and stuff?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, me too.
Sometimes I do like this one.
Yeah.
But you're doing it professional. I just hold it in my hand.
Oh, yeah?
I need to get like the sticky things.
Okay, well, check it. I'll check out your channel. Mine's the Ken Continuum.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I really love seeing YouTubers around, you know?
Yeah. All right. Yeah, for sure. Yeah. So it's like
I'm almost monetized.
Are you? Yeah. Keep it up. Keep it up. Wow. Thank you. Thank you very much. You too. Yeah. See you. Yeah. Very, very cool dude. Just subscribe to my channel. He's also a YouTuber. And you want to say the name of your channel to my viewers?
king_airlord.
All right. Awesome. Thanks.
So subscribe to my channel and his as well.
You heard.
For watching.
You heard him. Thanks, man. That's right.
He hit you.
Time to do put it in the freezer, right?
No, I did that myself.
You guys, apparently, this is how you fix the Xbox. You put it in the freezer. What's wrong with it?
It won't start.
It won't start. Okay, guys, so this is how you fix the Xbox, apparently. You do it.
It's not gonna work. She's a blogger too?
Yeah.
What? Why would you be with an immigrant, fam? You know how rich they are? They have to run like their castles to come to Toronto housing. She's saying yes, we have to. But that's why we're crying and that's why we have mental health. That's my big house in Ukraine.
No, Ukraine.
You never went to Ukraine? Why didn't they bring you to Ukraine before the war?
I mean,
It would have been cheaper to travel.
we went different places, but not Ukraine.
Oh, so you're really in Moscow? Oh fuck! You know how far that is from Ukraine?
It's not far from Ukraine, but it's far from here. So
How much hours did you have to fly?
oh, that
Oh,
was
you're
a crazy
talking
flight.
about Canada.
I came to Istanbul first, and then I stayed there for 24 hours, and then I had like a 11 hour flight here.
So what happened? The CIA came and get you?
Nah, it's just my brother could go to war, so my dad. I lived here when I was little for like a couple
Oh,
of
you're
years.
already Canadian. Oh. So you came here before the war?
I came here because my dad had work, and we stayed here for like 3 years.
What do you mean work? You never work in Russia?
He worked. No, he worked from a Russian
No
company.
one working there. They're criminals.
Yeah,
You see, Biggs? You see? That's what.
I mean, he had a lot of opportunities, but he never took it. So
How can a criminal go straight?
he never was a criminal.
Oh, so you don't know who your dad is? You can't tell you the truth, right?
No, I know this man. He's a good man.
Okay guys, I do not know if the fridge thing worked, but we're on the next stage. What are you doing to the Xbox now? What are you doing to it now? What are you doing to the Xbox now?
I visit Bora Bar cause I'm bored. Swish, I scored.
Okay guys, now he's opening the Xbox. Trying to rewire it. How to fix the Xbox.
Fucking hand is cramped.
Keep buckling back every time we open it? Alright. Oh.
Just see the dust flying up.
Just keep buckling these people. Alright guys, this is what it looks like when you open the Xbox One S. Little X over there.
Something. Shut the fuck up. I'm gonna fucking smack your head off. Shut up! Fuck, bro.
How you doing, you?
Okay guys, I guess next he has to unscrew these screws. This guy's about to unscrew all of these.
I have the right screw.
Oh, it's one of those ones.
This looks like it's gonna do these. Okay. These maybe too. These, all these look like they're gonna get this.
Yeah, you have the hand tool?
Yeah, I just don't know about these. Oh, maybe.
Yeah, a little bit.
All of them, maybe.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
You have something to put them in?
Huh?
Like all the screws? Or
Empty that tray on the ashtray? No, put them on the tray.
This one? Yeah, we're eating it.
It's empty, nigga. Don't give a shit. Just dust.
Should I put in this tray?
No, that's ashes in there.
Put it on the table?
No, in the ashtray. It's garbage. Nigga, put it in the ashtray. Wait, hold on.
It's time.
Okay. I need to do this properly. There's screws. These two stay together right here.
Alright, just gonna remember, fam, because when you put them in, I think, like, you know, I think you'll remember. This one won't even, like, if you put this one in, this one's hole, it won't screw.
Maybe they're all the same size.
Yeah, they're all the same. Yeah, you just have, like, some and some.
What if I told you I've been doing this? Every time my Xbox used to fuck up, I used to have to do this shit. My PlayStation 4 had to do this shit.
Okay, smart.
Damn, I don't have no time, fam. When it comes to my video game,
Okay, guys, this is how you do it. This is how you open up the Xbox.
I'm gonna treat myself and buy the Xbox One X for myself. That bitch is gonna be hard.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Hopefully this goes viral like Trudeau's daughter. So the screws are looking like there's some long ones, some short ones.
Yo, I was hoping these weren't gonna be some crazy ass screws, eh? Cause yo, I've done some shit, took apart some shit, and the screws they have, I have to go and like find in like crazy ass stores, and like it's like what the fuck, my nigga.
As long as you just keep the screws right there, you're good.
No, I'm talking about this screwdrivers.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. When I was opening my iPhone, I had to get some different type of
Yeah, for the newer iPhones, I was like, what the fuck is
like
this?
a benzo screw now. You guys need your Xbox fix? Just, message down below.
Oh
Comment down
my
below.
god, did it break?
Nah,
Yeah, the tips got mashed up. Just cheap.
just keep doing it, but do it slow.
It's hard.
Make sure you have good grip.
And then
Yeah, make sure it's not slipping.
it is,
Oh, shit.
cause it's fucking cheap. Too small. Please fit. Too small, fucking money. This is like a spring loaded.
What do you guys think it looks like underneath this part?
What's it gonna look like?
Yeah.
Oh, it's gonna have a whole bunch of wires and like I think the
The motherboard.
my storage unit thing components here.
Yeah. Where do you guys think the storage unit is? Comment down below.
Fucking last 3 screws. Holy. Screws are in there when I go. Holy fuck.
These things are locked.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Fucking, oh, even my left hand does this shit? Gotta go get this checked out.
What's that?
And the hand seizes a lot.
Seizures?
Yeah, like this hurts. Doing this shit hurts.
You stop smoking and eventually your skin is.
It's nothing to do with smoking. Holy fuck. Holy.
Guys, this last screw is taking some work right there.
I'm taking more because my hand hurts a bit right now.
I see what's under there. Trying to pull it off?
Okay, I guess. Hold on. Some shit I gotta do.
And haven't yet. So you can see what the stock. We're gonna go ahead and lift. Haven't yet. So we're gonna go ahead and lift off the rest of the case and the RF shielding.
That nigga took it off and then made the video.
No, he did this just to take off all of this.
Oh.
Yeah, so that's just gotta somehow come off.
Okay guys, now we have to take off the white part.
I just don't understand how.
Okay, yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Yay.
Okay.
Put this over there.
These are the pieces.
That's why you guys haven't been
This is a fan, I think. Yeah.
God damn!
That's not Boston. Fan. Lower HD. Motherboard. It's like a big iPhone.
Power supply is here. The fan looks like it needs a clean. Hmm? You at Sam's?
No, I'll give you in like 20 minutes. Is that cool?
Yeah. You know the building 251?
Sorry?
You know 2.
Now what do you have to do? Basically now. Just
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I wish I had that fucking the dollar store. You know the ear dusters?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. The dusting, this is real. I'm gonna leave it like this and let it just cycle the dollar store tomorrow.
Yeah. And even when you're done, like put the wires, see if it works, and then put it back together, you know?
Like, I wanna see what happens if I was to turn it on like this.
Yeah, turn on the front.
I don't know which one's the power button again. Let's turn this shit on again. It must be putting over there. That's the thing.
What's wrong with it?
It's not showing the picture. So my HDMI cord is being put into here.
HDMI port ain't working.
Okay, there we go. Finally. Whatever this is, I got
So
it
you
out.
probably have to get a new HDMI port
It's like
or
power
clean
support.
it out. It's so dusty, maybe it needs a clean out if you're lucky. Lucky, that's what it needs. Oh, now you have to buckle it out. See how to do it?
What
No,
is it?
you
I
have
can't
to-
even fit that.
Use this. It's like that thing, I think, huh? Push it, I think you have to push it forward. Can we do it? Oh, shit.
Yep.
Wait, is this chair? What's this part? Oh, this is the power
I
switch.
like that with the PS4. And somebody opened it, and all it turned out was just a plug-in.
Guys, look, there's a little Tesla coil in there.
Hmm?
Little Tesla coil.
Yeah, that thing that blows all the dust.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah. The gold thing, right? Yeah, that's a fan.
Wood. What are you blowing it with this for? To clean it?
Yeah, take out most of the dust that I can.
Oh, you're fanning it? Okay, okay. Okay, guys, this is a hair dryer, but he's using the fan thing, so it's not actually blowing here, it's just blowing air. The life of the Xbox. You trying to pull that wire off or no?
No, I'm trying to put it back now.
You see? Put that part first, yeah, put this side first, man. Where's the port, the HDMI port? This?
Huh?
Where's
No.
the, huh? Oh, it's there.
No, the HDMI port's over here.
Where?
Here,
Over there?
yeah.
So that means it's on this?
Under this.
So you're gonna have to take this out because it's gonna have to go.
I can't get into it like that, but it's basically like it's capped off like this.
It's locked in?
It's basically a box, because remember, this is a box. It's a metal box that's connected to the soldered in. Hold on.
Oh, fuck. because the HDMI port is directly connected to the motherboard, so it's kind of hard to fix. Get like a toothpick and put it up in this.
No, HDMI port's fine.
This thing is disgusting. That's the whole motherboard. So this part. This port, fan, motherboard, power source. I don't know what this was. HD stuff.
I need that fan solution or something, but it doesn't. Imagine the amount of dust that came out. Just like smells gross. Oh shit, my phone in there?
Xbox One S. Plug it up and see if it works out. Okay guys, we found out the button. Oh, that light's bright as hell. Look at that light. That's on.
Still being gay as fuck.
Microsoft. It's not a TV port for the HDMI for the wire. Try both of them, like there's multiple HDMI. Attempting to fix the Xbox One S. Mind your finger in the fan. Okay. you try using something to pick at the HD port, like
Yeah.
this.
Yeah.
Fuck, yo.
What's it doing? It's cold?
It's nitrogen, right? Because it has nitrogen in it. It's cold.
Yeah, this shit is cold as fuck. Yeah, this shit's getting brisk.
Yo, you're fucked.
This shit's like negative 20. Bottle alone is like negative 10, negative 20.
Dumbass, get the fuck in your bed, retard. Dumbass, nigga.
Hello? Hey, let's go. Let's go.
You wanna knock
Yo,
you?
yo, fuck knock your dog. What's gonna knock you? Come on, let's go.
My bitch do the dishes. They can't do the drop off and it's do the picture. Post up how we live. You gotta be a visit just to step in my kitchen. And my haters are.
Okay guys, so we've been trying to fix the Xbox, as you can see. We took it apart, opened it, all of that.
Happy ass nigga like me.
There's a problem with the HDMI port.
It's the TV,
And it turns
so-
out there was actually just a problem with the TV. There's a different TV.
I had to do the fuckery. all this,
Yeah.
all this fucking.
At least we got the dust out.
Yeah, I cleaned it.
Yeah. That shit looking like new.
Is my shit on here? Nigga, I'm trying to see. Fuck all that. No. What are you trying to do? Nigga, I'm trying to see what the fuck they're up to. Fuck all that recording shit right now.